Yeah, thanks, Daniel. Now, over $7 million was donated by Adidas to 9 high schools across 6 parishes that were affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa to help in their rebuilding efforts. Denise Walters has that story.
Manchester High was one of the schools that received assistance to the tune of $500,000.
We did sustain extensive damage through Hurricane Melissa, and despite the support that we have gotten so far, we still have more rehabilitative work to be done as we continue to build back stronger. So every dollar that is contributed through efforts like these is helping to make a young person better.
Jasford Gabriel is the principal of Manchester High.
As you will imagine, very excited and appreciative. Anything that goes towards supporting our young people in these very challenging times is highly appreciative. And so I want to say special thanks to Adidas and GC Foster.
The other high school recipients were Homer Technical from Manchester High, $1 million. Monroe College and Black River High from St. Elizabeth both received $1 million. Lacovia High from that parish also received $500,000. Herbert Morrison Technical from St. James, Racines from Hanover, and Petersfield from Westmoreland also received $500,000, as did Alphonsus Davis from Clarendon. Adidas representative and athletes agent QBC Gobin was happy the donations were finally made.
We've been trying to get the funds to Jamaica for the last 4 months, and it just happened to arrive on Wednesday. And so we were hurriedly getting everything done to do the presentation, which coincides with the actual meeting. And so I'd like to thank Spencer Nell, who's the director of running for Adidas, and the CEO, Bijan Guten, and of course NCB, and of course the whole organizing committee of GC Foster Classic.
On hand for the Andy Nova was Minister of Sport Olivia Grange.
I'm very impressed with Adidas stepping up and contributing to the schools that have been impacted by Hurricane Melissa. I wish all the sponsors would do that. They've set a good example. They've always been very supportive of our high schools. And I just want to say to Adidas, we appreciate what you have done.
Also receiving donations were GC Foster College $1 million and the Olympians Association of Jamaica $500,000. The presentation were made at the GC Foster College. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.